Hi, I'm Riley, and this is my little sister.
And I'm Eva.
And we have today, our video is the Hello Kitty boat. And if you like the Hello Kitty boat, like and subscribe, and down below, then this house can transform to a boat. And the figures that come with the set include Hello Kitty, and you also move their head and not really their arms. And then we have an umbrella here that can go on the table. Then we have a little pool, which includes a drink. And then we have a chair, a sitting down chair, and then so you can like watch your kids. And let me show you the transform set. Then we have a little car, and here that's stuck. And we also have one. Where's the car? And Eva's all missing with this. And that's all for today. Subscribe down below so you can watch more videos of me and Eva. Thank you.